Hello dear students, in today's video we will be solving questions from 1 point to the thief story from class 10th English textbook. So let's start. Class 10th English, lesson 1.2, the thief story. Warming up. Question 1. Read the following incident. A. In the given story, which words phrases can be replaced by the following ones? Answer. 1. Became aware. Realized. 2. Always. Invariably. 3. Very upset and helpless. Desperate. 4. Cheating. Foul means. 5. Without working for it. Unearned. 6. A sudden change. A turning point. 7. Gain/achieve. Acquire. B. Summarize the incident in 6 to 8 lines, making Lokesh the narrator. Begin with, I was always a class topper. Answer. I have always been a class topper in tests and examination. However, I used foul means during exams to gain those marks. Once, on the day of history examination, I realized that my classmate and friend Farhan had come all prepared for mathematics instead of history. Seeing his anxiety, I offered to help him by allowing him to copy from my answer sheet as he sat just behind me. Farhan refused. He said, Lokesh, it's alright even if I get a 0, but I can call it my own 0. He added that he didn't. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Want to score a single mark that was not earned by him. He told me that cheating in exams is for cowards. These words were the turning point in my life. I gave up cheating forever and now I work hard for what I desire. I never use false measures to acquire anything. Margin questions. Question 1. Answer the following questions. Sub-question 1. What is the narrator quite successful at? Answer. The narrator is a fairly successful hand at robbing. Sub-question 2. Who does I refer to in this story? Answer. I refers to the narrator who is a thief. Sub-question 3. Why did the narrator change his name every month? Answer. The narrator changed his name every month as that kept him ahead of police and his employers. Sub-question 4. What favors did Anil do for the narrator? Answer. Anil taught the narrator to cook and write his name. He also promised to teach him to write sentences. Sub-question 5. What proves that the narrator still practiced deceit? Answer. The narrator made a profit of about ₹1 a day while buying the day's supplies, thus cheating Anil. This proves that the narrator still practiced deceit. Sub-question 6. What could have caused the scars on Hari's face? Answer. Hari was a small-time thief. Escaping the police and his former employers or small fights with others must have caused the scars on his face. Sub-question 7. Why did Hari hesitate to board the train? Answer. Anil was a simple, kind and trusting man. The narrator hesitated to run away with his money as he would have felt guilty of robbing such a man. Somewhere his conscience pricked him for betraying Anil. Thus he hesitated to board train. Sub-question 8. Why does Hari believe that friends were more trouble than help? Answer. The narrator believed that friends were more trouble than help as they would either turn out to be the link for the police to reach the narrator or he must have been cheated by his friends in the past. Sub-question 9. What is face reading? Answer. Face reading is an ancient art of analyzing a person's character based on their facial features. Sub-question 10. What were Hari's regrets as he pondered over his theft? Answer. As he pondered over his theft, Hari regretted that he would never be able to cook Anil's meals, run to the bazaar or lean to write whole sentences anymore. He felt sorry that he would never be able to become a clever, respected man by learning to read and write. Sub-question 11. Why did Hari feel nervous? Answer. The thief had robbed Anil who had trusted him of his money. But he changed his mind about escaping and decided to return. It was easier for him to steal the money, but keeping it back without getting caught by Anil was difficult. This made him nervous. Sub-question 12. Does Anil realize that he has been robbed? Answer. Yes, Anil realizes he has been robbed because the notes are still damp from the rain when he touches them in the morning. Sub-question 13. Why did Hari give a genuine appealing smile? Answer. Hari gave a genuine, appealing smile to Anil for having forgiven him for the attempt to rob him and for giving him an opportunity to start life anew. English workshop. Question 1. Complete the web diagram. Answer is given directly and continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Question 2. Insert the appropriate word/phrase given below in the sentences that follow. Flattery, appealing, by fits and starts, -2, undetected, spirits rose. Answer is underlined and given directly. A. I dashed the school gate when I heard the school bell ring. B. After the death of my pet dog, my spirits rose when dad got me a new pup. C. Do not stoop to flattery just to gain something from someone. D. The artist completes his paintings by fits and starts. E. The crime went undetected for 11 years. F. When the baby saw its mother, it gave an appealing smile. Question 3. A. Find from the text the collocation for the following. Answer is underlined and given directly. 1. Stray dog. 2. Careless man. 3. Ticket office. 4. Walked slowly. 5. Light drizzle. 6. Whole sentences. 7. Risen spirits. B. Complete the compound words from the story. Answer is underlined and given directly. 1. Oil rich. 2. 50 rupee. 3. Easy going. 4. Clock tower. 5. Moonlight. C. Pick out from the story 3 or 4 examples of code mixing, Indian words used in English. Answer. 1. Bazaar. 2. Maidan. 3. Pajamas. Question 4. Read the story carefully and complete the table. Answer is given directly. Question 5. Complete the given sentences. Answer is underlined and given directly. A. Anil kept Hari as a cook because Hari needed a job and Anil thought he would be able to teach Hari to read and write in return for the food Hari would cook for him. B. Hari was grateful for teaching him to cook and write his name. C. Hari continued making money by making small profits every day while shopping for supplies. D. Anil didn't hand Hari over to the police. He believed that kindness and compassion would reform Hari. E. The moral of the story is love, kindness and trust have the power to change a criminal into a gentleman. Question 6. Think and write in your own words in your notebook. A. Why did Anil employ Hari as a cook, although he could not afford to pay him? Answer. Although Anil could not afford to pay Hari, he employed him as a cook as he must have thought that Hari is a needy person. Moreover, he was planning to pay Hari in kind by teaching him to cook, write his name, add numbers and write whole sentences. B. What did Hari learn from Anil in the beginning? Answer. Hari learned to cook and write his name from Anil at the beginning. See, why didn't Anil hand over Hari to the police? What effect would it have had on Hari? Answer. Anil did not hand Hari over to the police because that would result in Hari transforming into a criminal from a small-time thief. Besides, it would have left a permanent sear on Hari's mind at the tender age he was in. Moreover, Anil decided to be different and reform Hari through kindness and sympathy by forgiving him. Hari had also chosen to return the money by coming back, although he could have easily fled. D. Do you feel Anil's way of handling a thief like Hari was effective? Justify your answer. Answer. Yes, I feel Anil handled a thief like Hari extremely effectively. By overlooking his small thefts and concentrating on equipping him with the skills of reading, writing and adding number, Anil was indirectly reforming Hari and teaching him the way to earn a living in a respectful manner. His decision of not handing Hari over to the police was also a wise one, as that would have transformed Hari into a criminal forever. The results are seen in the fact that Hari returns to Anil even after stealing the money because somewhere he feels guilty of his deeds, of letting Anil down, and the fact that he could earn more in a respectful manner. E. What tact had Anil used to change Hari's dishonest ways? Answer. Anil started teaching Hari to write his name and promised to teach Hari to write whole sentences and add numbers. This assured a new hope in Hari that one day he would be able to earn more than what he did by robbing. He also decided to pay Hari for cooking as soon as he was able to do so that he doesn't have to steal money. And above all, he blindly trusted Hari, which made it difficult for Hari to rob him and run away. F. And the smile came by itself without any effort. Say why. When do people give fake smiles? Answer. The smile came by itself because Hari realized although Anil knew the truth, he had forgiven him and it was a load off his wind. He also knew that was going to teach him to write whole sentences so that he could earn more and give up his dishonest ways. And that was the reason he had returned to Anil in the first places. People give fake smiles either to impress others or to hide their true emotions. Question 7. Write a character sketch of Hari Singh with the help of the following points using the paragraph format. Answer is on the next slide. Answer. Hari Singh is a seasoned small-time thief. He comes across as a manipulative young boy who had cheated his former employers and escaped the police. He speaks lies and takes up a new name to elude the police. He has a specific modus operandi to steal money. He is a perfect example of how old habits die hard. Although he meets a trusting simple employer like Anil, he doesn't hesitate to rob him of his money by making a profit of ₹1 daily while buying everyday supplies. He even robs Anil of his money and decides to run away. However, Deep down inside this deceitful young robber is a boy who is willing and open to corrections and who doesn't mind being taught to cook. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. The eagerness to learn to read and write is what brings him back to Anil. No matter how hard he tries, he cannot bring himself to betray Anil's trust and run away with his money. He misses the conversation with Anil and his friendship with him, which comes across as more valuable to him than the money he steals. He is grateful to Anil for bringing about a change in him by educating him. He is courageous enough to change himself by returning to Anil, knowing very well that if Anil found the robbery, he could get him arrested. Perhaps these qualities are what make him appear more human than criminal in our eyes, as we feel happy to see him reformed in the end. Question 8. Frame WH questions to get the answers underlined below. Change the first person pronouns to the second person where necessary. 1. I hurried back to the room. Answer. Where did you hurry back? 2. I had made a study of Main's face. Answer. What had you made? 3. I drew them out without a sand. Answer. How did you draw them out? Four. The poor man showed acceptance. Answer. Who showed acceptance? 5. I made tea in the morning. Answer. When did you make tea? Question 9. Imagine that Anil catches Hari red-handed when Hari is stealing the money from under the mattress. Compose a short dialogue between the two, which reflects Anil's shock and Hari's repeated apologies. Answer. Anil is fast asleep as Hari enters his room. Hari, thinking to himself, I must hurry up if I have to take the 10:30 express to Lucknow. Hari checks whether Anil is asleep and then slides his hand under the mattress. Anil, alarmed by the disturbance, Hari, what are you doing here so late in the night? Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Hari, no, nothing. I had just come to put the bedsheet. Anil, switching on the light, I can't believe my eyes. Hari, you have tried to steal my money. Hari, no, I am sorry, I was just. Anil, don't you speak a word. I have almost caught you red-handed. All this while I thought I would be able to pull you out of your wretched immoral ways, but I was wrong. Hari, no sir, I am sorry. I didn't mean to betray you. Continuation of the answer is on the next slide. Anil, how ungrateful can you be? I am shocked. No, more than that, I am hurt. I had never imagined that you would pay me back for my kindness in this way. Hari, please forgive me. I couldn't resist the temptation. I am extremely sorry, I won't do it ever again. Anil, what makes you think I can trust you again? You have disappointed me. I learned today that old habits die hard. Anil sits with his hand on his head while Hari sits by his feet pleading and sobbing.
Great video. Mom,
Yes.
I found the good channel for study.
Great. Like the video. Share it to your school friends. Subscribe to it. But what's the channel's name?
Wings of Fire Academy.